Justin, we'll miss you, man. We're not even close to the start of our trailhead and there's already snow. Oh boy. Let's go mountain biking in snow. You see this? That's our trail.
Go boy! Woo!
That's where we're going.
Get it!
Oh gosh. Oh man. Oh my. It is snowing up here in the LaSalle Mountains. We're gonna ride down the Cocopelli Trail, Porcupine Rim. Oh,
it's like grippy sand.
We're crazy. We are crazy. This is the most snow I've seen here. We've been up here with a little bit of snow before, but this is by far the most snow.
I'm not excited.
I'm not excited.
I've never been this excited.
I'm wearing shorts. You're wearing shorts. We're all wearing shorts.
I got holes in my shoes.
Don't walk in the snow.
Oh my gosh! I mean, this is like our favorite ride. It's the best ride here.
It's funny now. Let's see how funny.
Yeah, we're all laughing. We'll watch this video later. Like, man, can you believe we were excited about that?
I think only like 8 of us are gonna be watching this video.
Yeah. Not all of us are gonna make it.
I don't know what the heck we're thinking.
Oh, that's a lot of snow right there. I mean, look at this. The tire tracks. Oh boy. It's really cold and windy. This is definitely gonna go on my list of craziest things I've done in my life, for sure. Here we go. We're crazy. Oh man. Oh God. Trying to figure out if it's better to go in people's ruts or make my own. They're not good. My shins. Oh my.
Well, when you get in the foothills though, I feel like we're more prepared. We did snow biking at 17 degrees that one day. Okay. Woo. Was it a nice smooth trail?
Yes.
Can we go a little bit further down? Jay, is that you?
Leroy Jenkins! Oh shit, I'm in the way. Oh boy. Yeah.
Let's get scratching.
You can kind of see the bottom, but you can't tell how. Yeah. Can you imagine having those old rim V-brakes? That's nice. That's nice. Oh boy! Oh boy!
I'm going down.
Gnarly little climb.
Yeah.
Yep. And then it's that steep climb. Gear down. This is a lot quicker. Yeah, I'm okay with this. This is nice. Woo. How you feeling?
Pretty good. No, I'm beat.
Yeah.
My body's beat. That was fun.
It was fun.
Oh, never.
That's a good 18 miles right there. We started in
A blizzard.
in 4 or 5 inches of snow. That was crazy. Alright. Let me turn this. Let me get something cool in the background, like Paul.
Like me?
Yep. That's cool. They're climbing on that. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a guy climbing on the top of that thing. We're gonna hike. Hello, sir. Yes. We look for your family, sir. Yes. I think they are here. Kind of. It is unmarked. It's unofficial. Kind of an unofficial trail, I think. Yeah, that's sweet if the guy's up there. But it's technically the highest point in the park, and we're gonna try and hike up there. You have to do 2 rappels, some scrambling up boulders and stuff. It's gonna be awesome, I promise. doing something that causes me to have to open the door. Dad, rev the engine, Dad! Woo! Heading home. It's been an awesome trip. Bye, everybody.
See you later, Brock. Hey, Brock.
Thanks for another awesome year, Pops, for planning it, making it happen. Love you.
Love to give those people. You know
No.
what a patient does when he gets sleepy?
What?
He pulls a nose hair. Seriously. It's pretty good. A nose hair.
See you guys. Oh, I might need my phone. That's a good thing to grab. Heading home.